was young and they packed me off to school, and they taught me how not to play the game. I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, yeah, or if they said that I was just a fool. So I left there in the morning with hair gone tucked underneath my arm, with a half-assed smile and full of rule. And I asked this God a question, and by way of firm reply, he said, I'm not the kind you had to wind up on a Sunday. So to my old headmaster and to anyone who cares, before I'm through, I'd like to say my prayers. I don't believe you can the whole damn thing go wrong. It's not the kind you have to wind up on a Sunday. Well, you can excommunicate me on my way to Sunday school and have all your bishops harmonize this how'd you dare to tell me that I'm my father's son, when that was just an accident of birth? Rather look around me, compose a melodic song, because that's the honest measure of my work. In your pomp and all your glory, you're a poor vanity, as you lick the boots of death born out of fear. When I was young, they packed me off to school, when they taught me how not to play the game. Well, I didn't mind if they grew me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So I left there in the morning with that God under my arm, all the half-assed smiles and the broken road. To school, and they taught me how not to play the game. I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So to my old headmaster and to anyone who cares, before I'm through, I'd like to say my prayers. have the whole damn thing all wrong. He's not the kind you have to wind up on a Sunday.